If your Grindr account is banned or suspended, don't worry. In many cases, you can get the ban reviewed or even reversed if you take the right steps. Here's an updated guide for 2025. So, first, you need to figure out why you were banned. Grindr usually bans accounts for these reasons, like breaking the community guidelines, using fake pictures or pretending to be someone else, harassing, using hate speech, or sending spam. Selling services or asking for money and using VPNs, emulators, or modified apps and being reported many times. Grindr does not always tell you exactly why you were banned, but knowing these common reasons can help you make a good appeal. So go ahead and contact the Grindr help desk. Go to Grindr Help Center and choose banned or suspended account if it's available over there. Then after, enter your email address, your subject, explain what's exactly happening with your account, and then follow the on-screen instructions, fill in all these details correctly, then tap and submit in the bottom of the screen that is highlighted in yellow color. If you're not sure why you were banned, you can apologize. Being respectful can help your case. You can write a message saying that my account seems to have been banned and I think it might be a mistake. I'm very sorry if I accidentally broke any rules. I'm asking you to please review my account and I promise to follow all the rules in the future. Wait for a response. It can take from 24 hours to 7 days and check your spam or junk folder and don't send multiple requests every day as this can slow down the response. And if the ban is lifted, update your profile pictures with the real and clear photos, remove any suspicious text from your bio, and don't ask for money, offer services, or include external links. Follow the Grindr's rules carefully. If support confirms that your ban is permanent, you can't get your old account back. So use a new phone number, use a different device, create a new email address, and avoid using VPNs or modified APKs, and use real photos and clean profile information. And don't use cracked or hacked Grindr apps. Don't break the rules repeatedly. Don't harass the support team. And don't create multiple accounts at the same time. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.